Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. This is a quick way to personalize your workspace and make your account more recognizable to your team members. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your ClickUp workspace. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon displayed. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your ClickUp account. Now that you're in the settings area, look for your current avatar or profile picture. It should be clearly visible on this page. Click directly on your avatar and you'll see an option that says Upload Avatar. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a dialog box that allows you to choose a new image for your profile. In the dialog box, you'll notice an Upload button. Click on this button to proceed with selecting your new profile picture. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and files. Browse through your files until you locate the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've found it, click on the image to select it. Make sure the image you choose is clear and professional, especially if you're using ClickUp for work purposes. After selecting your image, you'll need to confirm your choice. Look for a button that says Save and click it. This action uploads your selected image and sets it as your new avatar. You might see a preview of how your new profile picture will appear, giving you a chance to see how it looks before finalizing everything. Finally, to ensure all your changes are applied across your ClickUp account, look toward the lower right corner of the settings page. Here you'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Click on this button to complete the process. This step is crucial because it commits all the modifications you've made, including your new profile picture, to your account settings. And that's it. Your profile picture in ClickUp has been successfully updated and will now be visible to you and your team members across all your workspaces and projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.